Okay.
Hi, this is Reba. And this is Cater Tins. We're making a video. Kate's gonna list off a bunch of animals, and I'm supposed to make their noises. Ready, Kate?
Okay. The cow goes. And the elephant goes. And the chicken goes. And the llama goes. Llama! And Sasquatch goes.
Sasquatch? I never heard that one.
And the monkey goes. And the rabbit goes.
Me gusta carrots.
And Tarzan goes. Give me Jade. And the pig goes. And the mouse goes. And the goat goes. And the whale goes.
Do you speak well?
And the camel goes. And the lion goes.
Roar!
And the beached whale goes.
That's gonna be on YouTube.
That's all.